Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you're trying to find the fuse for your power locks, okay, door locks, guys, and the lift gate release, okay, this is the hatchback door, the trunk release, stay with us and we'll explain where to find that fuse. It's actually one fuse controlling these two things. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, we're making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools, guys, and want to get them for a good price and fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where you can get them from for a good price. So I will go ahead, open the hood, guys, and I will explain to you where the power locks, okay, door lock switch fuse is located, guys, and the lift gate release fuse is located as well on that Ford Edge. This, guys, is a 2009 Edge, but it should work for many years. Right here, this is the fuse cover, okay, but the fuse is not there, guys. The fuse is actually inside, okay, inside, and that fuse, guys, will be for the door locks, okay, for the door locks and the lift gate release as well. Now let me show you guys what we need to do. We need to actually go, you can see where your pedals are, okay, right there, that's where the pedals are, guys. We need to come on this side, and you're going to notice that you have a fuse box cover, okay, right there. Check it out now. Now what we need to do, guys, okay, simply, guys, right here you're going to have one fuse cover that you need to remove. This one will be right here. Slide that thing, pull it out. Underneath you're going to have another cover, okay, just like that. So here you need to squish on each side, pull it out, and on the back side you will have a fuse puller if you need one. You will also have the fuse numbers printed, but the bad thing is it doesn't say, guys, what those fuses are for, so you actually have to know that yourself, or you have to see it in the manual, and some of you may not even have that. So the fuse that we're looking at now, guys, it's super hard to get to. It's fuse number 17. Fuse number 17, okay, right here. The first fuse on the second row from left to right, the very top fuse, guys. This fuse, it's a 20 amp fuse, and it's all the way up there. Okay, that cable now that we have here, this is for the hood release, and I'm trying to move it so I can show you guys, and it's almost impossible. But this, guys, okay, is the first fuse on top. Okay, the very first fuse on the top, guys, right here on that row. So this is the fuse, guys, for the locks. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses, you can see, okay, where we get the whole fuse box from for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So check it out, guys, we'll have that there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that and find the fuse for the locks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.